Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore the flash fill, a feature which actually recognizes a few patterns, and we are going to use that for our data cleaning purposes. The people who handle data, they understand that you sometimes get data like this. Like if I look at this is Peshawar, which is part of this province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and there is some ID. Let's say so. Basically, this is you get data in this form. So you get the city, and then you have say state slash province, and there is some ID. Okay, and here you see that if I look at this one, Lahore, Punjab, so there is no space between the ID and Punjab, and then there are several commas here, and this is just dummy data, and also just for understanding, there is Boston, there is a state Massachusetts, and an ID, and the ID numbers are changing. So somebody asks you that I want this in this form, that the state should be here, and mind it, this is just a small example, but the data could be in thousands. The entries could be thousands. So how do you settle this? You cannot just enter everything. So how are you going to do that? So today we are going to explain that to you, and say you have city, and then you have an ID. Okay. Now this is a very useful technique, and it's already built in Excel. So this will be a very short video, but I believe the people who work with data will really love this. So now you have to give them a pattern. Okay. So here the state is KP, and the city is Peshawar, and the ID that you want, that is at the end. So here it is 1, 2, 3. Okay, now you have divided it, and if there are thousands of entries, you cannot actually repeat doing this in the same way. So what you need to do is go up to data, and here in this data tools bar, you see this flash with this. So I have selected this cell, and I hit flash fill. This is known as flash fill. So I just hit it, and you get this. So you have Punjab, Sindh, CAB. This is just a dummy data. There is no such thing as cap. Okay. Now this is easy. I did that with commas, without commas. It is done. Let's do the same for. Okay. Now there is here. I do the same. So I get it right, even though the commas and the space and everything. So here in Punjab, let's look at this. There is no comma and there is no space. Still, you have no issue. You are facing no issue here. Let's do the same here, and you get this ID. Okay, now this is obviously they have made it in this manner, but that's not really something to worry about at the moment. You can obviously change all this, but the issue is not that. It's actually how you can clean data. So now you actually have cleaned all the data in this manner, and the people who do work with data, they would actually understand how you can do this, and this would be very useful for them. So I hope you like this, and if you did, then please subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon, so you would also know when I upload some other form of a short Excel video other than the ongoing course that I have. This was done on demand of a friend, so, and I hope the person will be satisfied as well as you will be. Okay, thank you.